Introduction.
Mom, the roti I rolled is not round. What should I do?
That is all right. You can change the roll dough back and try again.
Mom, can I do that?
Yes, Seema, this is one of the changes that can be reversed. Children, in this lesson we will learn about changes around us and the reversible and irreversible changes. Overview of changes. Have you noticed how seeds grow into trees? Another point to notice is how snow melts and the water flows to the river. How does this happen? These are changes that are taking place around us all the time. Reversible changes. Changes are of two types, reversible and irreversible. Changes that can be reverted to their original state are reversible changes. Let's try this. Take some sand and mix it in water. Would you be able to remove sand from water after they are mixed together? Try this one. Melt a chocolate bar to liquid. Do you think you can solidify the same liquid to be a chocolate bar again? These are examples of reversible change. Irreversible changes. Let us now look at some more changes and find out whether we can reverse them. Let's try breaking an egg and beating it for an omelette. Let's try to fry this beaten egg on a fry pan. Can we now get the original egg back? Do you like apples? Let's cut an apple into 4 pieces. After cutting the apple, can we get the whole apple back again? These are changes that cannot be reversed and are called irreversible changes. Expansion. Do you know how to read a thermometer? The thermometer shows the temperature when the mercury inside it expands. Since there is a change in the state of the mercury, the thermometer is able to display temperature. This change is known as expansion. Let us look at another example of expansion. The glasses that we use to drink water are molded when the glass is heated. The workers then use the molten glass to mold it into various shapes that we use daily. Evaporation. What happens when you keep some petrol in a bowl in the sun? After some time, you see that the petrol starts reducing. This is an example of change known as evaporation. Mixing substances. Changes can occur when 2 or more substances are mixed together. For example, when you mix water and sugar, the sugar gets dissolved in water. However, there has been a change in the property of the water. This change becomes irreversible. Let's take a look at another example. When you mix tea leaves with warm water and heat them, you will see that a change has occurred due to mixing of substances. In this case, the change is irreversible. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Changes occur around us. Changes that can be reverted to their original state are reversible changes. Changes in which we do not get the original material are known as irreversible changes. On heating, water changes to water vapor. This is known as evaporation.